Good morning. So you know those van lifers that make those beautiful shots of their morning cup of espresso and everything with their beautiful little espresso presser. This is the reality in my life. A little one-burner stove, a mug of tea with powdered milk because I'm out of all fresh food except for 2 eggs. That's the reality of it for most of us, I think. San Rafael Swell. My goodness, what happened there? Whoa. I'm currently in Green River, trying to decide what to do. Well, I hated to do it, but it was time to get out of the San Rafael Swell. As you can see, the wind has picked up. There's a full-on dust storm going on in some places. And weather's moving in. If you're enjoying my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share. And also, maybe you'd like to follow me on Facebook, Instagram. Links are in the description beneath this video. And also, there's some links down there if you'd like to contribute. Buy me a coffee, it's just $3, and it helps to cover the costs and expenses incurred in making these videos. Hey, see you in the next one.